My name is Mita, but sometimes I'm Mora. Mita plays with makeup and Mora is a hoarder. Hello. Hi. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Mita, and if you are new to my channel, comment down below and say hello. Hi. And if you like my channel, Miss Thing, don't forget to hit that like button or that dislike button. Engagement is engagement, and we invite it all, Miss Thing. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can get notified every time I upload. Okay? Okay. Hey guys, so today, Miss Thing, happy Pride Month to all my gays out there. I love you. For those of you who don't know, I am bisexual and I am part of the LGBT community, and I support everyone in the community. Love is love, and I believe if you love someone, let it go. Let it go, Miss Thing. Do you, boo-boo. Do you. Okay, moving along, guys. Today I will be reviewing, guys, the Morphe 25L palette, this nice rainbow baby. Now, let me show you the cover. This is the cover that it came in, Miss Thing. This is the cover it came in. It did come with bubble wrap and plastic. Let me show you. But obviously, I already have played with it, and I played with the colors and did a look. And so I wanted to show that to you guys, okay? These are the colors. This is what the colors look like. It's a little messy in here, guys, because I did use the eyeshadow. Now, I'm not going to go into swatching every single eyeshadow because there are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. There are 25 colors in here, and I'm just not about that 25 color life. But I will pick some that stand out to me and just give you guys a little overall review of what I think about these eyeshadows and if I recommend them or not, okay? So first, I would like to swatch some that I did not use on the eye, because the ones I have on the eye, you can already see the swatches too. Okay, so I like this one, Stone Walls, kind of sticking out to me. And this is kind of like a shimmery one. You see that? Like, you could use that as like a highlight, girl, for the brow bone. Really nice and pretty. Another one is called Culture. And this one kinds of, what? What you say?
What? What you say?
This one kind of sticks out to me as well. And then we have another one here that I did not use that is called Peace. And this one looks really, really nice. Look at this. Ooh, girl. Girl, I should have used that blue. I should have used that blue. Girl. Woo. The next one is called Sexuality, and you guys know pink is my favorite color. Let's see here. Ooh, girl, you see that shit, Howard? What is this, Henry? Bruh. Girl, I can't. Oh my God, these do have kickback, have some fallout, but I mean, girl. The next one is called Parade that I'm going to swatch for you. And look at that, we got some nice pigmentation going on there. You see, these are pretty pigmented, guys. I mean, they're actually staining the fingers. They are very pigmented. We have Liberation, which looks so pretty. Oh, that is nice. That's definitely a topper, guys. You can put that over any other eyeshadow to give it just that extra umph. Wait, what? umph. Then we got black. I want to see the black. Like, I want to see how black this black is. Oh, that's nice. That is nice, sis. That is nice. That is nice. Okay, now I'm going to swatch the colors that I did use on my eyes really quick. Here we have Rise Up. Then we have Truth. Now, Truth is the one that I kind of had problems with, simply because this purple was very, very dark, and it just didn't give me that rainbow effect that I wanted on the eye, and that kind of, like, you know, that was kind of a letdown, and I didn't want to go into another eyeshadow palette. Here we have the green that I used. That's called Nature. Then we have the yellow, which, to me, my opinion, the yellow wasn't that pigmented. I feel like it could have been better, as you can see here. it's really not that pigmented. It's kind of translucent in a way. You can pack it on. I did pack it on to get some type of intensity, but I still am not happy with the yellow. I still feel like yellow could have been better. Now I'm going into Life, which is the red that I use. And that's a nice red, sis. That's a nice red, sis. And then we got Pride, which is like an orange. And that's the last one that I'm going to swatch. And I really like that color. So let me bring you up close so you can just get an idea of what these eyeshadows look like. They are pretty pigmented. Just the yellow, like if you can see it, it's like kind of patchy and just kind of translucent. And it's like the more you blend it, the more translucent it gets. So the yellow really wasn't my cup of tea. However, if you don't like really bright eyeshadows and you like more of like a neutral yellow, this will really work for you. But for me, sis, it just no. No. we just not gonna do that, sis. We just not gonna do that. Okay? Okay, guys, if you want to see how I got this makeup look and how these eyeshadows perform, just keep on watching. Hey guys, welcome to my face. Let's get into this video, Miss Dean. So I have wrote on a piece of paper here how I want to do my eyes. So left eye, right eye, and the colors I want to put on top. And on the bottom, I find this helps me kind of like a little diagram. So when I'm doing my eyes, I don't lose focus on what I'm trying to do. Okay? Okay. So I've already primed my eyes with Tarte Shape Tape. So guys, I'm going to go in with the Morphe 25L palette. Okay? And I'm going to go in with the color Nature, which is like this kind of green color. It's kind of like a grass green. And we're just going to put this on the inner corner like this here. Okay, let's see. Do we have pigmentation, sis? Yes, we do. We got pigment, sis. We got pigment. That's cute or whatever. Next, I'm going to go in with the purple. And this is kind of a dark purple. It's called Truth. But I'm going to try it anyway. Because I really want to stay true to this palette. I don't want to use another palette. And I know that I could use another purple that will go better. But I really just want to try out this palette just to see how the colors blend into each other and how they work on the eyes. So even though it's a little too dark, it's okay. I'm okay with it. So I'm just going to go in stippling motions because I'm noticing as I'm trying to drag the eyeshadow misting, we are getting patchy. Not patchy, but the blend isn't so well. Like it's not a nice seamless blend. So yeah. So now I'm just going to blend a little on the top. We're going to go back in and blend these colors into each other seamlessly. But for right now, we're just putting product. Next. Okay, so my first issue is that there is not a matte blue in this palette. We have a blue, it's called Rise Up. And this looks like more of the blue that I kind of want to use. And this blue is very, it's a shimmer. It's a shimmer blue. So it's kind of hard to use on a blending brush. Usually the shimmers you use on a packing brush. So I don't know about that. So let's just see. Because my whole thing is this is a Pride palette, right? So I want to see if I can create a rainbow seamlessly over two eyes. And it be a nice, you know, rainbow. Because this is a Pride palette, right? So we should be able to create a rainbow look without any drama. So I'm going to go back into Rise Up. And I'm going to put this over here. And I'm going to start blending that into that purple. Now on the other eye, we're going to start on the inner corner. And I'm going to use yellow. Let's see. And it's called Sunlight, this yellow. Now this looks like a bright yellow. Let's see the pigmentation of this yellow. Oh, hi sis. Not bad. Not too shabby. Not too shabby. But it is blending away. You see that? Okay, let's see if we can get more bright. Let's just kind of stipple it for now. I noticed that with pigments and like bright colors, you have to stipple them on first. Like before you blend. Like so that your primer can grab the pigments. Because I noticed when you just go in blending, girl, no trabaja. It's not working. It's not very good looking. It's not very good looking, sis. I have to say, I have seen more pigmented yellows, like in the Sugar Pill palette. It is more pigmented. But then again, guys, this was just a $20 palette. I don't think it's bad for $20. I mean, I really don't. I don't think it's bad for $20. Next, we're going to go into this orange. And this is called Pride. This orange here. And I'm just going to pat this on. I'm trying not to blend right away and just kind of pack on the color first because I want the most pigmentation that I can get with this eyeshadow palette. Like, I just want pigmentation. Pigment, sis. Pigment. Nice. Hello. Okay, now that orange is blending in nicely into that yellow. Very nicely, if you can see that, like, effortlessly. But we aren't getting as much pigmentation as I would like out of the orange. It's because it's kind of like a diffuse, kind of corally orange. It's not like a true orange. So, yeah. Next, we have red. And they got a true red here, girl. Let's see this pigment. I'm excited for the red because the red looks really pigmented. So, okay. I mean, I've seen more pigmented reds, but this does look like it's buildable. So that's what we're going to do, guys. We're going to build it up and see how pigmented we could get this red, okay? Let's see how pigmented we could get this red, sis. So I'm going to come just a little bit higher on the brow bone. And as I'm seeing, you can build up this red to a nice, decent pigmentation, like to your liking, that you're going to like. You know what I'm saying? And now I'm just going to go in with the other colors and kind of just blend them out. So now, I'm going to go back into the yellow. We're going to go under here. And I'm going to put that yellow there. And as you can see, that yellow gives me a lot of trouble, guys. Like, the yellow is very troublesome. Very troublesome. So I'm going to take a small blending blush. Do I have one? I think I do have one. Yes, right here. Okay, and I'm gonna put yellow on there. And we're just gonna blend that out on the bottom. Oh, it's working out pretty good. I mean, we still have to go in with concealer to clean that up, so I'm not bothered. Next, we're gonna go in with Truth, with orange, which is called Pride. I'm gonna put this in the middle. And we're just going to pretty much have like two rainbow eyes. Like that's the plan, I guess. I don't know. I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm just honestly having fun with it at this point. And it just looks like fun to me. I like to have fun. Yeah. Now we're going to go in with Nature. I'm going to put this on the inner corner here. As you can see, that green is pigmented. Now we're going to clean that off the blending brush. And we're going to go in with that dark purple, which I wish they had a lighter purple. I wish it wasn't so dark. Just because you got to know, if you sell a rainbow palette, people are going to want to do rainbow looks. And this purple just isn't the look. It's just not it. It's not it, sis. It's just not it. Okay, next, we're going to do blue, which is called Rise Up. And we're just going to bring it up like so. So now that we have this rainbow going on, I want to highlight the inner corner. I love this. This is the Tarte. I don't know if you guys remember this. This is the Mermaid Glitter Gel. And I have not used this in a while. And I really like this stuff. It is so beautiful. So pretty on the eyes. And I love it for the inner corner. It's just amazing. And I just need to use it more so that it doesn't go bad and then I can't use it. So we're gonna put this on the inner corner because, girl, this is a Pride makeup look. So, girl, you gotta go all out. Go all out, sis. So as you can see, you see that inner corner popping? Sis, yes, I love it. So for today, let me just zoom you out real quick. This is pretty much it for the eyes. This is what I did. Just very simple, festive, rainbow eyeshadow look. I think it's very cute, very spunky, spookoo. It looks adorable. Like, I'm kind of living for it. Not gonna lie, not gonna lie. Not gonna lie, sis. Not gonna lie.
Not gonna lie. Do it for the gram. I ain't gonna do it. Do it for the gram. I ain't gonna do it. Do it for the gram. I ain't gonna do it.
Bitch, I'm dead. Okay, so what lipstick would we wear with this, sis? I got this Shows lipstick by MAC that I've always wanted to wear. Let's see. This is kind of cute, right? This is kind of cute, sis. Ooh.
Do it for the gram. I ain't gonna do it. Do it for the gram. I ain't gonna do it. Do it for the gram.
Bitch, I'm stupid. The name of this lipstick, this is the Trolls collection. Midnight Troll, it's called. Remember when these came out? Bitch, I still got it. I still got it. Do it for the gram. I ain't gonna do it. Do it for the gram. I ain't gonna do it. It's so cute. I think it looks very cute. What I want to do, what I want to do is a trick that I do. I'm gonna show y'all. And I've showed y'all in other videos, but just for the new people coming on, I use my MAC Studio Fix powder and I blend out the underneath of my eye. And the reason I do this is because sometimes the underline could be very jagged or just too much. And like, if you don't, let's say you don't want to wear foundation and highlight. Like today I'm not doing foundation because I'm just doing this look for the sake of this video. So if I ain't going nowhere, I usually don't do foundation. I just do my eyeshadow. And most of the time I just do eyeshadow. Like, I'm not big on foundation, like, at all. And look at how nice. You see how it diffuses that bottom, that lower lash line? Like, look at this eye. You see how it diffused that? Like, it's very subtle now. Like, it's not bam in your face. Like, hi, look at me. And you just use any foundation powder that you have, and it'll blend out and diffuse that those vivid colors underneath your eyes so that they're not like bam in your face. Like, they look more like a liner now versus like boom, eyeshadow. You know what I'm saying? Like, I think this looks so cute and I'm kind of living for it, Miss Jane. You know what I'm saying? You feel me, girl? You feel me? But yeah, this is the look. This is how it came out. I think this looks so festive and it's giving me very boom vibes, bitch. Woo! Miss Thing, do it for the gram. I ain't gonna do it. Do it for the gram. I ain't gonna do it. All right, Miss Thing. So this is the finished look, guys. Oh my God, where that squeaky voice came from, bitch. What's going on? Say hi to Howard, Miss Thing. Hello, Howard. How you doing? How you doing, Howard? How you doing? So I gotta say, I love the colors. I do, however, that purple, you see how this whole eye just looks flat and dark? If that purple was lighter, this eye would have really popped. Like, it would have popped more. So that's my only complaint, is the purple so far from the colors that I used. And yeah, I think for the price point, it's a pretty good palette. If you don't have a colorful palette, definitely pick this one up. It's 20 bucks, girl, and it does the job. You feel me? It does the job. Yes. Yes, yes. So, guys, thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you like my finished look, Miss Dean, and I hope you have fun with me. And I will see you guys in my next video. Uploads are Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Stay tuned for my next video on Monday. I will see you Monday. Don't forget to subscribe and to hit that like button and that notification bell, girl. Help your sister out. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah.